Despite Russian claims of control, Russian channels now report that Ukrainian forces have pushed past defensive lines near Demidovka, Belgorod border region. According to Russians, Ukrainian forces are using fiber optic drones en masse. The enemy is expanding its control zones. IMR, engineering vehicle, is expanding the passage. Our guys are countering, but the situation is complicated. Ukrainian forces have recently advanced in western Belgorod Oblast, Russia, while Russian troops are pushing forward near Toretsk, Pokrovsk, Velika Novosilka, and in Kursk Oblast, the Institute for the Study of War wrote. Geolocated footage from March 19th confirms that Ukrainian troops made a minor advance northwest of the Russian village of Prelysy. Russian mill bloggers also claim Ukraine has progressed southwest of Demidivka and toward Lipsty, although ISW noted these claims are currently unverified. A Ukrainian pickup maneuvers under Russian FPV drone strikes near Sudzha. One drone nearly hits the vehicle, another damages a wheel. Still, the fighters reach a tunnel with anti-drone nets. Amid an apocalyptic scene of wrecked vehicles fading in the sunset, the guys push on with 3 wheels, unyielding. Russian pipe sweepers, who tried sneaking into Sudzha via gas pipe, now breathe Mendelev's table. Turns out, gas pipe strolls are risky. Who'd have thought? Akhmat medics fight to save the Russian fighters' 90% clogged lungs.
Ну вот парни, которые прошли через трубу, у них пневмония. Картина такая, 90%. Все мы помним ковид, вот он, классический авиалит. То есть поражение не только клинически, но и радиологически подтверждается 100%. Наглядный пример сейчас покажу. Видите, она очень плотная. То есть мы легочную ткань переднее делаем, сзади все забиты. Ну, это всем тем скептикам, которые говорят, что ну, по траве прошел, ранений нет, значит ты здоров. Вот наглядный пример. Это пациент, который довольно уже дня 3-4 лечится.
После трубы 4 дня все равно легкие вот такие забиты.
Конечно. И мы с этим боремся. Это еще отсроченные последствия, еще неизвестно какие.
3 teenagers were injured in a massive Russian drone attack on Odessa Oblast overnight. Ukraine's State Emergency Service reported on Telegram early on March 21st, posting photos of the aftermath. More than 70 firefighters, 22 fire engines, and 5 volunteers responded to 3 large fires in Odessa, including a shopping mall, shops, and a luxury car dealership. A high-rise apartment building was damaged. Emergency and utility services continue efforts to eliminate the consequences of the attack and repair the damaged roads. There are power outages in the Primorsky, Peresipsky, and Kievsky districts of the city. Russian forces intensified their airstrikes on densely populated areas of the Ukrainian cities in recent days. On March 20th, nearly 200 drones were launched against civilian, residential, and critical infrastructure across Ukraine. The heaviest blow landed in Kropivnitsky, Kirovohrad Oblast, where 10 people, including 4 children, were injured, and damaging residential buildings, a church, and other infrastructure. A series of at least 30 explosions were reported around midnight. Civilian infrastructure in another Ukrainian city, Kupiansk, in Kharkiv Oblast, was also the target of a massive attack by Russian forces. According to Regional Governor Ole Sinihubov, at least 20 guided bombs were dropped on the city over a period of several hours on March 19th. Critical infrastructure was damaged and several civilian buildings were set on fire. Russia also fired several ballistic missiles into Ukraine. On March 18th, the Institute for the Study of War reported about a significant discrepancy in the U.S. and Russian statements on a temporary Ukrainian-Russian long-range energy infrastructure strikes moratorium agreed by President Donald Trump and Russian dictator Vladimir Putin during their phone call. The Kremlin claimed that Putin accepted Trump's proposal for a mutual refusal to attack energy infrastructure for 30 days, while the White House press release referred to a broader energy and infrastructure ceasefire. As the exact contours of the moratorium remain unclear, the conflicting statements raise questions about what targets the 30-day moratorium is intended to prohibit. Reports say Germany seized the Russian tanker Eventin from the Shadow Fleet, along with 100,000 tons of crude oil worth 40 million euros. The vessel, adrift near Rügen since January, and its cargo are now German property. Good job.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.